How's it going, guys? I am Brendan and we are down at the Argus, and today we are going to be making the most classic of tiki cocktails, the Pina Colada. So in your Argus Monster box we will find some fun swag. So we've got a little FLOR CANA bandana for you, some sweet shades to rock while you're in the sun drinking your drinks. We got some pineapple juice for you, limes. I always like juicing my limes kind of ahead of time. That way we have it all ready. It's kind of a step that's taken out and we can just crank through the cocktails real fast. We also have homemade coconut cream. And then our delicious rum. This is FLOR CANA, a nice white rum that should just match perfectly with this cocktail. As well as some fun umbrellas that we have for a garnish. So with having all of our ingredients out, let's make the cocktail. So as far as glassware goes, we've got kind of the fun hurricane glass, but it is a large cocktail, so you'll want to get something in around the 12 to 16 ounce range. I always like starting by filling up my glassware. If you have a crushed ice adapter on your refrigerator, I'd suggest using that. If not, regular cubes will work fine. So to start off our cocktail, we're going to be adding half an ounce of fresh lime juice, an ounce and a half of our fresh coconut cream, next we'll be rocking an ounce and a half of pineapple juice, and last but certainly not least, our FLOR CANA rum. And we'll go a full 2 ounces with that. Now, if you're making this cocktail and you don't have a set of tins, you could easily use a mason jar, anything with a lid. Just be sure not to shake too hard to break your glass. So we'll top this up with some ice. 20 or so shakes. I'm going to strain that off into a glass. Throw a couple straws in there. Make sure that we garnish with one of our umbrellas. And there you have the classic Pina Colada.